Of MRCP UK qualification application, Part 1 examination. Submission of documentary evidence of primary medical qualification. Be sure to include all pages of multi-page documents and both sides of double-sided documents. Emails should not be more than 2 MBs in size. If you have multiple forms and documents to send, you should consider sending more than one email. Documents to send, and also consider sending more than one email. Zip files cannot be accepted. If a scanned document image is not acceptable, the applicant will be requested to submit a new high-quality scanned image or the original document by post. Due to a large amount of primary medical qualifications received during an application period, it may take up to 4 weeks after the closure of the application period to process the application. Payment. How to pay. Follow the guide to make payment attempt online using your MRCP account during the process and use a credit or a debit card. How to pay online via my MRCP UK account. If you are unable to pay via my MRCP account, contact the central office. You may be able to make a payment over the telephone. You will need to provide the 16-digit card number, expiry date, including month, year, and the 3-digit security code on the back of the card. Payments will be processed using a secure payment system, and card details will not be stored by the MRCP organization. In order to comply with UK law, the Royal College cannot accept credit or debit card details sent in emails or via the contact form or on the website, either in the body text or as attachments. If the applicant does send card details in that manner, it is entirely at their own risk. Card details received in emails or as attachments will be immediately deleted, and payments will not be auctioned. Card payment can be only made online or via the application system or by the telephone. Declaration form. Candidates with restraints or constraints on their practice should complete an online declaration form as soon as possible. This is available on the website www.mrcpuk-examination/part1 how to complete your application. It's also given on the YouTube link. Candidates with constraints on their practice. Candidates who have been erased from the GMC or equivalent register for reasons related to fitness to practice are not permitted entry to any MRCP UK examination. Candidates who have been suspended from the GMC or equivalent register are not permitted entry to any MRCP examination for the duration of the suspension. Candidates who are subject to any warning, interim orders, undertakings, or conditions on their practice from the GMC or equivalent body must submit a completed MRCP UK and specialties certificate examinations conditions declaration form with each application. Permission to enter any MRCP UK examination will be of the discretion of the MRCP UK Medical Director. The form must be completed electronically. Any candidate submitting an online application will be prompted to submit this form should they declare any restrictions as filed above. Part 1 sample questions are available on MRCP UK website as shown in the link. Sample questions provide examples of what might be expected on the day of the examination. In order to do the sample questions, enter your email address correctly. A restart code will be emailed to the email address you have provided. So for this process, you need to register yourself, and you will receive a code as well, and you will be able to sort of practice these questions. The process is given on the website. So I hope you have learned something about the MRCP UK Part 1 examination, the procedure for registration, and what might be expected in that exam. So thank you very much for watching, and I wish you all the best for the examination. Thank you.